comfort, convenience, and accessibility all in one. This 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT is built to make everyday mobility easier. With just 69,350 miles, this van offers a great mix of reliability and value, making it a strong option for families, caregivers, or anyone looking for dependable, accessible transportation. It features a BraunAbility automatic side entry fold-out ramp, giving you quick, smooth access at the push of a button, simple, secure, and ready whenever you are. With a 32-inch wide door opening, getting in and out is easy and comfortable for most wheelchairs and power chairs. Inside, the tan leather interior adds a premium feel you'll notice right away. Comfortable for both short drives and long trips. And the classic gold exterior gives this van a clean, refined look. You also get removable driver and passenger seats, giving you the flexibility to configure the van exactly how you need it, whether you're driving, riding, or assisting. Powered by Dodge's reliable 3.6-liter V6 engine, this Grand Caravan delivers smooth, consistent performance you can count on every day. So if you're looking for a mobility van that's comfortable, flexible, and easy to use, this 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT is ready to fit right into your everyday life. Call us today at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com to learn more. We're here to help you find the right mobility solution.